Cold calling. Has cold calling really died off during this digital age? I don't think so. Because for me, cold calling is more about an attitude rather than a process. If you take a deep down to the definition of cold calling, you'll see that cold calling is a technique in which a salesperson contacts individuals who have not previously expressed interest in the offered product or service. Cold calling typically refers to the solicitation of phone or telemarketing, but can also involve in-person visits such as with door-to-door salespeople. You know why I thought of having a discussion on this cold calling now? Because I've recently seen a lot of new guys, new salespeople who have rejected their first offer in sales just because their profile spoke about cold calling. There are people who have left job in like 2 to 3 months just because they don't feel proud of doing or starting the profile with cold calling. You know, and also I can say that a lot of senior guys who still talk about cold calling in a negative way within the organization. You know, they'll be talking like, I'll do any kind of sales job except cold calling. This kind of message is not helping out for the new guy because they are seeing it as a negative thing. You know, they are not really proud about this process in sale. Everyone wants to start off with doing big closures, negotiation, asking the right questions. But before all those things, you require certain skill set in terms of mindset. You need a certain attitude for survival in sales. Those things can be really molded in cold calling, which people don't. During this time when we really reach out to customers on digital, we are not really molded on that. We really feel that you don't require certain attitude, we just require certain skills to do the process. I believe sales is all about 70% attitude and 30% on skills. So I think we really have to focus on this part to understand. Today I'll just talk about 3 top things which molded me as a salesperson because of cold calling. You know, I'm really proud about these 3 factors which I feel which really helped me to grow ahead and to be happy in being in sales and call yourself a proud sales professional. So I'll just talk about top 3 things which I feel cold calling has helped me mold me as a salesperson, because I've learned a lot from cold calling. I started off my career with cold calling. The company which I used to work, they used to give me a sheet which even I don't know whether it's a prospective customer. The whole day what you have to do is you have to reach out to them, talk about yourself, your product. You need to place this product in their requirement. We need to cross check whether this is required, not required. They have already bought, still to update. So there were a lot of process which was involved in this entire cold calling thing. This really helped me to understand what is the psychology of sales. Number one respect which I feel while doing that entire cold calling after 10 years when I do sale, the strength which has really increased in me is the ability to handle rejection. I think you started off your career with the highest percentage of rejection, that is cold calling. You randomly speak to a customer, you just through phone or meeting them directly, they will never entertain you. They are really uncomfortable on talking to someone who is in sales or you feel that you are selling something. So when you call, even on phone or even if you speak to a customer directly, you will understand the kind of uncomfortable situation which you are breaking and getting in. So the chances of rejection is high. I can talk about almost 90% rejection in cold calling. So your entire day, if you are working like 9 hours doing calling, 8 hours, it's all about how you take the rejection. You won't be having strength if you take this rejection on a very serious way. You won't be having the strength to take it to the next day. You will just leave. So for survival, you require to have certain strength in terms of rejection. This cold calling has really helped me. Second, I would say that this will really help you to have a hunter mentality. Nowadays most of the company are surviving on digital ways. There will be a saturation for that point, but still, most of the salespeople, even freshers, they get ready leads. They get leads which is already been inquired. So people are already interested. We call it warm customers, warm cases. The only job is to convert this warm cases into hot. But in life, this opportunity is not there in all the stages. When you work for startup or when you're working a new project, even if it's a highly funded company, if you're working on a new project, you are really on the ground level to acquire those customers. So for that, you require a hunter mentality. You really have to approach a very cold customer who is really reluctant to even talk to you into a warm case, and then make it into a hot customer, and then become your loyal customer, and you're taking reference from them. So it's a long process. So what really helps you is, if you are left in any situation, if you left in any company or any product, you will be first thinking, you would be never stressed or concerned about customer acquisition, because your customers are people. Any people who are randomly using this service or product, or who haven't started using this product, all are your customers. This attitude, it was really molded from this cold calling process, because every day you are speaking to customers who have no idea, who never met you, have never seen, who have never even heard about your product. You are calling them, educating them, trying to sell yourself and getting those aspects, So I think this will give you a hunter mentality, which is very much required on certain projects. When you take up certain project which has no result, or certain projects which does not have a set customer base, it will help you to create that customer base in that entire process. Third one, I can say, it's very important. That is mastering your craft. I've recently read by someone, they were talking about salespeople. They were just saying that if you see sports people, athletes, they all practice a lot of time. They spend a lot of time in practicing before getting into field. I think in salespeople never practice. They actually practice in front of customer. A 10 hot customer, if you practice with those 10 hot customers, you'll be doing 2 closures, but you have lost because of your lack of handling skills. That 8 customers have got lost. So you really have to be prepared when you reach out to these 10 people. You should have a certain skill set which will help your conversion ratio. This is a real good playground when you start your career with cold calling, because you're talking to random people. The kind of effort or kind of stress which both of them are going through while doing the calling, creating that demand, even if you make mistake, it's not an issue, because nobody is expecting a 60-70% conversion on cold calling. You can make mistakes, you can talk blunder, they'll fire you, you learn from it, move on. Those things happens when you are really into the cold calling process. So I think the practice is very important. I think cold calling is an amazing platform to practice. Take a number or go to a guy, speak to them. You might fail miserably, but never mind, because anyway they were not a hot prospect. You were just trying it out. So after a certain stage, you get into a position where you'll be very comfortably, you'll be able to handle those people. You will be really happy and you'll be really excited to reach out to people and know exactly what kind of investment they are doing, what is the kind of products which you are using, or the services. These things really help. I think these 3 things are the major thing which has given me a lot of confidence, and I can say that in this current situation, COVID situation, a lot of business have started off from scratch. A lot of business have came down drastically. They lost their customer base. They are trying to bring in people who can work from ground zero, because the entire market flow has broken. Now we need people who have strength mentally and skill wise to acquire those customers. So the comfort has been broken now. Now the market has been consolidated, and we really have to push and get to create a new market. So those skill is very much required, and for all the people who are start off with cold calling, believe me, this will really help you and you'll be very proud of doing this job in like 2 to 3 years. Cheers.